Welcome. In front of me I have GoPro Hero 9 and I'm going to show you how we can plug the charger to this device. So at the first we have to rotate it on the right side, and after that we have to pull these elements towards you, open, and here we got the plug-in. So right now we have to grab our USB-C cable and just plug it right here, and after that when you rotate the screen to you with the lens and the small screen, you will be able to see that this indicators is right now on the red color, and it means that the charger is plugging properly and it works, and also this one is also blinking. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.